comfy sa paa pag naglalakad.
Hindi same yung feet.
Try mo po ilakad eh.
Oh.
Daw yung Oli.
Hindi ko kaya subukan eh.
Mabigat ng konti. Nag-cover naman yung Barbie, Chad.
Tsaka maputi ka, madiniling.
Wow, bagay. Sex bomb dancer. Yan, mas better. Yan.
Alam ko ba
Yung bag na pang exam week mo.
like ko to? Not yung karaw mo.
Yan? Yan gusto mo? Anong gusto mo?
Ato.
Ayan.
Is this
mas mura.
cheap?
Yes.
And how do I take it off?
Ganyan lang yan, be.
Ah, easy pala. I like it.
Dapat kasi yung kasya din yung baon mo.
Yeah?
Mabigat? Cute.
Oh, ito yung...
Halika na. Pag mag-exam lang kasi may bag pa siya.
Exam lang pala.
Oo, exam week lang.
Okay, tama lang to.
Kasi di sila nagdadala ng
Daddy,
exam lang,
is my
ganito
pick
lang.
good?
Yeah, ganda na pick mo. Kasi may malaki pa siyang mga bag. Bag,
Ito na.
regular day opo.
Opo,
Thank you po. Tingin ako, be.
ito. Hawakin mo lang.
Sa daw niya na to.
Thank you, Mommy. Wow. And Papa Love. Madaling ka lang. Shoe.
Halika na, pay na tayo.
Can I say hi? Hi, Kenny. Hi, Hello Kitty.
Happy ka, be.
Yeah.
Lie down nga.
Hindi na ganyan. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang, ikaw na magkakat.
Ganyan na talaga.
Ako naman, oh. Come.
Ibili lang ng drink.
Saan tayo kakain?
Saan mo ba gusto? Thank you.
Dad naman.
Why? Wala ka drink? I-order si Dada.
Ano?
Chocolate.
Yay!
Di ba? Chocolate. Ay, love na love ni Dada. Sana all. Nabasa mo na. How much? Ang galing naman. Marunong na. O-order ka na next time.
Pinalo mo muna. Tap.
Kaya nga, sarap ka.
Panchaki.
Anong rate mo dito?
Parang chaki eh.
Ang sarap.
Oh, di ba?
Gusto ko siya. I like it.
I'm gonna rate it first. My rate is 6 out of 10.
Ako, 9 out of 10.
Si Dada naman.
Ito,
Ay, natap ko.
ako 8 out of 10 dito. Mas gusto ko
7.
to.
Ako 7.
Mas gusto ko to. 7 sa'yo to. Ito, hindi ko na. Ito. Ano rate mo? Ano rate?
9.
9 din. Ano, which one?
This one. just take the white for now. Because of my bags. I'm very large. I got my necklace! Yay! Just in case, and I got my face. Now we're ready to eat. But first, Mommy needs hers too. Everyone needs their hands up. For now, because it might go to your face while we eat in our food. So I'll keep them back. Also, add these to them. Yay! I'm gonna also add this right here. Now I'm crazy with my sounds. Done. We're done now there. Now,
Look, so pretty.
Mommy,
Wait lang.
the old one. Actually, just out of there.
Topic ka po.
Yes,
Family day. Ayaw mo na kasi sumama sa amin pag ano eh. Just let me pray. Amen. Maaga na?
Ito 7 na lang.
Buto na bawasan. Ay. Ganun ka ba?
Hindi ko kasi mahanap yung kanina.
Diba?
Ito naman, no? Taste mo to. Parang lumpia.
Hi guys, I'm back home now. We went to the KKV to buy some stuff. Now, what should we show today, Mommy?
Diba nag-rob kami, nag-buy kami ng shoes ni Gab, ng bag, and nagpunta kami ng KKV, bumili kami nito.
For Dada.
Yeah, like to ni Dada.
At the KKV. Dada, do you want this?
And napaka-cute na to.
I picked it out.
Magnet, refrigerator magnet, ref magnet, para dun sa mga photos.
That
Ayan, sa
we
KKV.
have.
Ang cute! Diba? Ayan. Yung mga picture na namin nasa ref. Tapos
Also,
bumili ako ng 2 nito. Tingnan
for
kami ni
me,
Gab.
Bec-
Lalagyan namin ng parang journal, stickers, ganyan.
Because we got a surprise.
Mura lang to. 49 pesos each. It's okay.
I got stickers. I got 4 stickers.
Naka-sale.
It's on sale.
Naging 9 pesos na nga lang to eh. 14 pesos na
I
kalagay.
got
Naging
more. Because I got some more. Mommy, can I show them what I got? Can you get it over there? I already done it. I got only 3. Too bad. I'm still not yet done. I have 2 more that my mom still hasn't shown.
Ito, 129 pesos.
I accidentally threw a few stuff to only. Because it didn't even stick anymore.
Tapos yung pagkain natin kanina.
Yeah.
Dito
I
pa.
had to bring it home. Mine
Hindi namin
too.
naubos.
Mine too. I'm hungry
Kumain
now,
kami
Mommy.
sa, ano yun de?
Sa food court.
Sa food court. Kasi bihira lang kaming makapag-rob.
When we go to the second floor, when we are gonna eat, Mommy eventually go there first. Wow! I was looking at the mirror if you ask. A lot.
Nagamit na namin siya.
Yeah, I also got my 2 from
Yeah.
earlier because I don't want my hair getting on my food.
And ito yung nabili namin na bag niya.
It's for my exam.
Pag exam week, mga small bag lang kasi yung
We didn't got in KKV, but still got it. From the deaf store? Or
Yeah.
department store? Department store?
department store.
We bought it there.
Kasi
Keep
meron
on looking at the
kaming,
mirror.
ayan,
What else did
exam
we got
week.
again?
Small bag lang sila
Oh, yeah.
kapag exam
I
week.
also got something else. I got some
Why, bakit mo to na-choose?
because I like it. And it's kind of easy to take it off a bit. How do I take it off
Yeah,
again?
magnet. And kasya lang yung notebook, Yan. Plus, Barbie. And
Yay, Barbie!
rubber shoes. Barbie din. Ang cute nito.
Can I talk?
Yeah, oh, you show it to them.
I got black.
Kasi yung pink and purple, too small.
Too small. And this one's big. And
Yeah.
soft.
Yes, soft kasi yung ganito, kaya nagustuhan ni Gab.
There's still the inside. Let me take it out.
Diba? Ang cute. Pang PE.
Mommy, can I take this
Nakabili
out?
na kami ng pang pool niya, black shoes. Nandun sa kabilang bahay. You like it?
Yes.
You want this better or yung purple?
I still like the purple. Also this.
Kaso matigas yung dito ng purple, no? And that's it. Yun lang.
They still...
Kakainin na natin yung tira natin kanina.
Yeah, I'm so
Bye!
happy. Bye!